家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT, and we got music from the compilation album called My Room, which has been nominated for Best Hakka Album at the Golden Melodies this year. Now, this piece depicts how Hakka women find their own way in the world, and through detailed melodies and touching stories portrayed by artists like Luo Si Rong, Misa, Gina Yang, and also Qiu Shuchan, they come together and portray the multi-generational resilient spirit of Hakka women, creating a space that belongs to them. So let's take a listen to the song called 酸给奶给提风。
看过漫天的森呢，吹过凉凉的风，直到天的世界，就本脚步也困一下，一路走盼给你，带了希望的力量，总系痛爱的永后天边天涯梦想，一片负担感受的。算是爱的地方，一道命中错的，算是爱的地方，天河是走的着风，算是爱的地方，那几个的烟火，算是爱的地方。
酸给奶给提风是来自于奶给风间这个合集，它于2024年底推出，入围了本届金曲奖最佳客语专辑奖，描绘客家女性在时代洪流中追寻自我定位的历程。而歌手罗思容、米莎、吉娜杨淑瑜与邱淑蟬共同创作，从责任与自由之间探索女性多元可能。而整个专辑呢，也展现出跨世代不变的坚韧精神。希望你们喜欢喽！ Congratulations for this compilation album, nominated for Best Hakka Album this year at the Golden Melodies. Thank you for listening. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.